Good morning students, welcome to Academia Ambala. We have done the estimation of addition and subtraction sums. Now today we are going to do the estimation of the numbers and find out their product and divide them also using the estimation rule. Now let us take few examples. Example number 1, 5918 when multiplied by 310. These two numbers, when they have to be multiplied and the estimation has to be found out, for that the rule remains the same. You have to see the first digit and the very next digit which is written to the first number. And let's see 9. 9 is greater than 5. That means we are going to add 1 in the first digit. So this becomes 6000. Over here the first digit is 3. The next digit to it is 1. And 1 is smaller than 5. So when we have to do the estimation, this digit remains the same. It is 300 because there are two digits after this. So we are adding 2 zeros after this. Now when we are multiplying this, again there is a shortcut method. You will be multiplying only the first digits wherever you have been given the numbers with zeros. Now here when it is multiplied, 6 multiplied by 3, it gives you 18. So you can write down 18 here and count the number of zeros in both the numbers and write them in the answer. For cross checking, again see, it is 2 and these are 3. So total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can put commas for reading it easily. So the answer is 18 lakh. Now let's take another example. 123 multiplied by 4806. Now again the rule remains the same. You have to see the first digit and the second digit to it. The second digit is 2, which is smaller than 5. So we will be writing the first digit as such and 2 zeros will be written. Over here the first digit is 4 and the next digit is 8. And 8 is bigger than 5. So we are going to add 1 in the first digit. So this becomes 5 and 3 zeros after this. Now when we multiply, this is again very easy. 1 multiplied by 5, you can write down 5 here and the zeros, there are 5 zeros here. They can be written and then you can put commas. So the answer to it is 5 lakh. Another example of this is 925 when multiplied by 790. Here it is, the first digit is 9, the second digit is 2 and 2 is again smaller than 5. So the same digit will be copied down and number of zeros will be added. In the next number 7, the next digit to it is 9 and 9 is bigger than 5. So this is, when you are going to write down the number, it becomes 8. You are going to add 1 in this and this becomes 800. So when you are going to multiply this, these two digits, 9 multiplied by 8, it gives you 72. 72 can be written here and there are 4 zeros. So when you are writing down the zeros, after that put commas. It is 7,20,000. And always remember one thing, whenever you have not been given any specific place to which the estimation has to be done, you are always supposed to take the first digit and the second digit in consideration. The second digit will be seen and then according to that the first digit has to be added with 1 or can be taken off like the same. Now we are going to do this question as the next question. Estimate the quotient. Now this is finding out the quotient, means you are going to divide them. Now in this number, the first digit is 5 and the very next digit to it is 8. Now 8 is bigger than 5. So we are going to add 1 in this and it becomes 6. Rest of the digits, they will be converted to 0. And over here 2. The first digit is 2 and the next digit to it is 7. And 7 is again bigger than 5. So you are going to add 1 in this. So it becomes 3. The next digit to it is 0. So you are going to divide this. Now you have got 6000 divided by 30. And when you divide this 6000 divided by 30, you can see the answer. Everybody must be knowing that how do we divide it, and the answer that we are going to get is 200. There is another method of solving it, that is by cutting 0. You can just cut 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here, and simply you can divide 600 by 3 and you will get the same answer. The second question to it is, it's a big number. Just see the numbers that I am writing and then the next number. Now again the first digit and the second digit. Now the 8 is again bigger than 5. So you are going to add 1 in this. It becomes 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are going to put 5 zeros. Always remember that you have to count that how many zeros are supposed to be written. If you will be writing 1 0 less, the answer will be wrong. So always count. This is 7 and the next digit to it is 3. 3 is smaller than 5. That means it will be the same digit copied down and 3 zeros. And then put division sign. When we have got these two numbers, estimated ones, we are going to divide them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you are writing, be careful about the number of zeros. And over here it is 7000. So it is 7000 ones are 7000. And then you are getting 0 over here. This 0, 0, and the last 0 is 0. So the answer that you are going to get over here is 100. And another way of finding out the answer, as I have told you over here, you can count number of zeros. Here 3 and here again 3. So you are left with 700 divided by 7 and you can get the answer 100 easily. So now you are through with the multiplication and division of the numbers by estimating them. So do it properly, nicely. Thank you.